Oh hey, didn't see you there. I kid you. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. What do you think today's video is going to be about? Yep, you guessed right. What's in my bag? So today I wanted to do a what's in my bag video. I wanted to do a what's in my bag video. So that's what I'm gonna do. I can't take myself seriously. Seriously, I'm doing a what's in my bag video right now. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Also really appreciate if you like this video. At the end if you like it, or now, that's fine too. And if you want to subscribe, like sheesh, I'm not stopping you. You obviously clicked this video because you want to see what's in my bag, so here we go. Okay, so this is my bag. It's half cream, half black, and it's got these little straps. Yeah, okay, so that's my bag. It's like a slouchy whole bag. Let me show you, I guess. It's cute, right? It's like, oh, I'm just going to the store really quick, or oh, I'm just going out. It's cute. And it's slouchy. I like that it's slouchy, you know? So yeah, that's my bag. It's from Mango, and I got it during quarantine because I went crazy, because I was going crazy, so I went crazy shopping, and then they wanted to give us a stimulus check, so I was like, okay, seriously. So I just showed you my bag from Mango. Super cute, love that store. Okay, let's just get into the main. There's no really, like, there's like a little pocket, but I'm not gonna, can you see this little pocket? I guess I'll start there. Okay, so in my little pocket, I have a hand sanitizer. Because, like, if you don't carry hand sanitizer these days, then it's like, were you even part of the pandemic? This was hard to get for like 2 months. So yeah, there we go. Hand sanitizer from Trader Joe's. I like the scent. It's grapefruit and lemon, so that's good. And then, you know, I don't like to talk to people with stank breath, so a piece of gum. I always grab a stick in the morning. I just grab one stick and I put it in my bag. Okay. Obviously, you need sunglasses, because just in case, you know. I'm gonna keep these on for a little while. Okay, and then, you know, Tylenol, because you don't know who's gonna give you a headache out there, so you already know. And then I always carry my camera, the one that I'm filming on. It's small. It's the G7X Mark III. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll take this serious. So I always carry an extra SD card, memory card, in case I'm shooting and I run out of space. You always need that. And also in my little pocket, I have one of these bad boys. I don't know if you can see, but it's just like if you don't want to spray heavy perfume, and like, you know, when you just spray it and it's like, oh, did you just spray perfume? Like, and you want to be like, no, like I didn't, but you did, and it smells fresh. I carry one of these, and these are from Whole Foods. I don't know if you can see it though. Anyways, these are like scented oils. It's like I have a hair on my face. Oh my god, oh my god, get out. Where is it? It's a perfume in oil form. I don't know why I can't find the words to say what this is, but yeah, perfume in oil form, so it's alcohol free. And I just, you know, on my neck neck really quick when I want like a little touch up of like a subtle scent, and this one smells so good. It's the amber scent. It's delicious. Okay, so that's it for my little pocket. I'm gonna put everything back. Okay, so for the main space in my bag, I always carry deodorant, but until I find a good natural deodorant that smells good, this is what I'm using. And obviously my cards, my little card wallet. I just got this from Target. It has a place for you to put your bills in, and then it has like an extra little pocket, and then cards. It fits like 6 cards. Yeah, 6 cards. So this is nice and neat and handy. Love it. I also carry oh my god, I thought this was not recording, and I was like so scared because sometimes I do that. I just like sit and I think I'm recording a video and I'm really just talking like dead ass to myself. Oh my gosh. Okay, along with, okay, sorry, in the big pocket, continuing within my big pocket, I have, I'm just gonna pull out the first thing, I guess, my journal. So, you know, sometimes like if I'm waiting in the car for someone, if I'm picking someone up or waiting for someone at like my destination, or if I have some extra time and I'm just sitting in the car, or if I think of something, I write it down in my journal. Like if I get an idea, if I feel like so grateful for something in that moment, I like write it down, or I like write about what I'm feeling right now, or if I'm angry and I'm in the car, I just write in my journal. It's actually a really good way to like not take your frustrations out on other people. And they say that writing in a journal helps you not lose your memory when you're older. So I don't want to lose my memory. I'd rather keep that. So yeah, I have my little journal, and I got this at Home Goods. I think it was literally like $5, and I love it so much because it's like it's definitely like fake, but it's like leather material. So yeah, that's my journal. And I always keep the book that I'm reading in the moment in my bag, just in case, again, if I have some downtime or something, because sometimes I don't find time at night to read. I'm trying to read in the morning, but if I don't have time, I just keep it in my bag, so then if I do have time in the day or whatever I'm doing, I can pull out my book and I can read it. And right now I'm reading Pillow Thoughts by Courtney Peppernell. Yeah. It's pretty good so far. But yeah. And then this is the one part that I hate about my purse. Let me know if you agree. But I always have to carry a charger, because like, don't even get me started on my battery life. I'm literally on my phone all day. But it's like, I wish that there was like a charger. There probably is, and I could probably use one, but like a little charger bag, so I can just put this crap in there and it just doesn't get in my way, because I hate when I'm searching in my bag and I'm like, whatever I'm trying to find, and this thing is in my way, all the wire. But yeah, charger in my purse. And then like reading glasses, they're so nerdy. Watch. They're not reading glasses, they're actually, I can't see far away, so. And I need to update them because this is middle school, high school. So yeah, these are really helpful at night, really useful for when I'm driving and I can't see crap, only like blurred lights. So glasses. Okay, and then my keys, can't go anywhere without these. Lord knows how many times I've lost them. And then I always carry the lip shade that I'm wearing that day. Like when I put makeup on, this is the one that I usually wear. It's the NYX Abu Dhabi. Can you see it? There you go. Abu Dhabi. It's the one I'm wearing right now, actually. I just love it. And I love these. Like, I used to get these in college. Like, I used to like buy them every day. The soft matte lip cream. I'm not even gonna try and show you because it's gonna take like 10 minutes to focus. So Abu Dhabi, and along with that, I like to bring my matte finishing setting spray by NYX Cosmetics. This one's the one that works for me the best. Let me see if you can see. There you go. The NYX matte finish long lasting setting spray. I usually carry like my setting powder and a brush, but I left that in my car. So I like to, this was in my bag and I was doing my makeup in the car. You don't even want to hear the stories. I don't know why I'm telling you the story. So yeah, my setting spray to, you know, freshen up, to zhuzh up my makeup in the middle of the day. Okay, and I don't know why this is happening, but it doesn't click on here anymore, so that's awesome. Look. I don't know why I did that. But yeah, so along with all of that, I like to, I know I showed you my little oil, but that's like for like a subtle scent. But if I'm like out, or if I'm like, usually like when I'm like all cute and stuff, and I don't want a subtle refresh, I always have the scent that I'm wearing, and this is the scent I was wearing today. So it's in my bag, and it's the Coco Mademoiselle from Chanel, and I like the big one because I use it a lot. I like, you know how some people use like those body sprays? I use this like a body spray. It's not good, so I waste a lot, so I get the big bottle. But yeah, this is my perfume that I wear. I'm so stupid. Yeah, this is my perfume, and I always like to carry something, you know, you gotta be like, you need to like freshen up and like, you know, like really quick. So yeah, and then the tampon just in case, and my bestie, go best friend. Yeah, you know the deal. Oh, and then this is one of my favorite pens. It's a matte black pen, and it's so sleek, and I love it so much, and it's like so satisfying to like hold. It's so heavy and it's beautiful, and it's from Target. I got a pack of 2. But yeah, it's very minimal, beautiful, sleek, heavy. It's a good pen. And this is the pen that I use to write in my little journal. So that's my pen. And then also, like, you know when you just need a pen real quick to just jot something down? Like, I know we have our phones now, but it's like sometimes you just need a pen really quick. Got my pen. And then I also carry hand cream, because we use so much sanitizer these days that your hands feel so crusty and crispy, and it's like dry and like crackly and like bleh. So I use this hand cream by Chanel. Can you see it? Yes, you can. And it don't really smell like anything. It just smells like lotion. Like, it's like lightly scented. I never noticed that. It doesn't smell like anything really. But yeah, it's cute. It's small, it's egg-shaped, fits in the, you know, your hand. It's cute. But yeah, that is definitely like a must for these days, because like my hands are so dry these days, so I need to keep them moisturized. Okay, and is this the last thing in my bag? Oh my god. And the last thing in my bag, besides my phone, are my Airpods, because sometimes I just don't want to listen to nobody. I don't want to talk to you, especially at the mall. You don't want those people to be like, hey, here, try this thing. No, I'm good. Look. So yeah, my Airpods. I actually like these little things. I just got them actually. I just got them in the summer, and these are not even the new version. So I just got the first one because they're the cheapest, and I didn't know if I would like these. And I tried them, and actually they're so bomb. Like, I wish that I tried them sooner, because like it's so good. Like, I was just worried about like my brain being fried from the Bluetooth, but whatever, I don't care. Love that. this is my bag again. From Mango, one last time. And just in case you were wondering, probably not, but I'm gonna show you anyways. Not my glasses, I don't know where these are from, but these are my rings that I'm like clinking around with. They're from Missouri. This is the chunky band, and then this is the dome ring, the dome ring. Two simple little rings. And then this watch is from, I don't even know what the brand is called, but it's like the MVMT. Is it Movement? Is it Movement? I don't know. Movement. I'm just gonna say Movement or MVMT. But yeah, it's super simple, super classic, super cute, super nice, whatever, you know? So yeah, that is what is in my bag. If you were wondering, probably not, but you know. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye. I'll see you in my next video. Hopefully you stick around.